beautiful roses. Welcome back to my channel. If you could lose weight in just 1 week, without dieting, without going to the gym, and without spending a single dollar, would you try it? It might seem unbelievable, but trust me, it's very possible. In this video, I'll be exposing free easy tricks that actually work. No starving, just smart science-backed hacks and exercises that'll help you lose weight and burn fat fast, so you can get that dream body you've always wanted. We're focusing on everything: your face, belly, chest, hands, and legs. You're going to see results in just 1 week. And the best part is, you can start today. So if you're ready to finally see real changes in your body, keep watching, because this is the only video you'll need to lose weight fast. So grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook, and let's get started. Number 1. Drink warm water. First things first, roses. Make water your new BFF. But not just any water, warm water. You might be wondering why. Well, cold water slows down digestion, which causes bloating. But warm water flushes bloat, boosts digestion, curbs cravings, and even helps burn belly fat. So, it's time to stop drinking cold water. Instead, start your day with a glass of warm water, add lemon or a lime to it if you have, and keep sipping all day. Your belly will become snatched and less bloated in just a week. Even your skin will glow, and that's a win-win, trust me. Pro tip: make sure to drink 8 or more glasses of warm water every day. One as soon as you wake up, and also half glass 30 minutes before eating your meals. This prevents overeating and helps digestion. Number 2, eat more spice. If you want to burn fat, then you need to eat more spice. Spicy foods like cayenne pepper, chili pepper, ginger, and cinnamon literally heat up your body and make you burn calories faster. So always add some spice to your meals. A little in your soup, beans, or anything you're eating. Eating more spice will force your body into drinking more water, and that would keep you full faster. Number 3, chew slowly. Okay, real talk. How fast do you eat? If you're eating your food like it's the last meal on earth, stop it. Eating too fast equals overeating, which equals bloating. So slow down, roses. Chew each bite 20 to 30 times, put your spoon down between bites, and actually taste your food. Not only will you eat less, but your digestion will improve too. Number 4, ice your belly. Yeah, this sounds wild, but trust me, it works. Here's the truth: fat cells hate cold. When you ice an area, your body sends blood there to warm it up, which activates fat burning. That's why celebrities love ice baths. So grab an ice from your freezer and place it on your belly for 15 minutes a day. The cold helps break down fat cells and reduces bloating. That'll make your stomach slimmer. Pro tip: if it feels too cold, take breaks every 5 minutes. Also, always do this at night while relaxing or right after a workout. And you only need to do this for 15 minutes. No need to overdo it. Number 5, move your body. I said no gym, but I didn't say no movement. It's time to walk more, dance more, and take the stairs more. Your body was made to be active, not sit all day. Aim for at least 7,000 steps daily, and watch how your legs and thighs start toning up. Next, it's time to work out. We're going to focus on our face, belly, chest, hands, and legs. With these super quick workouts, you will lose weight without working hard. Step 1, face workout. Now, roses, this exercise is perfect for your face. It will lift your neck, tighten your jaw, and reduce any double chin. Here's how to do it. Tilt your head back and look up at the ceiling, then push your lips up like you're blowing a kiss to heaven. Hold for 5 seconds each and repeat 5 times. It's that simple. But if you're impatient like me, instead of pouting your lips, stick out your tongue and move it from side to side for 30 seconds every morning and night. This works faster, trust me. Step 2, chest workout. Now, my lovely roses, these workouts will help firm and lift up your chest fast. First, wall push-ups. You're going to stand facing a wall. Place your palms flat against it at your chest height. Then step back slightly so your arms are straight. Now, slowly bend your elbows and lean in toward the wall, then push back. Do this 30 times for 2 sets. Next is prayer pose press. You're going to need to sit for this one. Press your palms and elbows together, like you're praying. Then move your palms up and down for 30 seconds. Relax and repeat twice. This targets your inner chest and arms, and you can do it while watching Netflix if you want. Step 3. Belly workouts. Now it's time to get that snatched belly we've all been dreaming of. These are simple to do and they work fast. First, belly massage. This helps with digestion and bloating, giving you that snatched look every morning. First, apply any body oil of your choice on your belly and use your hand to spread it around. Then rub your lower belly in circular motions for 20 seconds. Now move your hands from the top of your belly downwards for another 20 seconds. And lastly, do a full circular motion across your entire belly to release any tension. Do this every morning before eating anything. Next is bridge walk. Lie on your back with your knees bent, then lift your hips into a bridge position. Now lift each leg up and down for 60 seconds. It's so simple yet effective. Step 4. Arm workout. First off, arm circles. Now sit on your bed and stretch your arms straight out to the sides like a T. Then make circles forward for 30 seconds and backwards for another 30 seconds. This is good for burning arm fat. Next is plank shoulder taps. I need you to get into a plank position with your hands stretched out. Now tap your left shoulder with your right hand, then switch. Do this for 1 minute every day and night to get results. Step 5. Legs workout. If you want slimmer legs like this and this, do these 2 simple workouts and you'll start to see results in no time. First, wall sit. Put your back against a wall and your knees bent like you're sitting in an invisible chair. Now hold that position for 60 seconds. No cheating. This is going to hurt a lot, but that's how you know it's working. Next is leg lifts. For this you need to lie on your back, legs straight out, and prop your body up with your elbow. Now, slowly lift each leg a few inches close to your face before lowering. Do this for 1 minute, no breaks, and you'll start to feel the tingles on your thighs and calves. Workout pro tips. Do these workouts every morning and night for a week, and you'll see your arms get tighter, your waist smaller, and your legs slimmer. Number 6, sleep well. Repeat after me. Sleep is not optional. If you're not getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep, your body holds onto fat for energy, and this makes everything you've done look like a joke. So, turn off Netflix an hour early, put your phone away, and sleep. Your skin and body will glow up overnight. And there you have it, roses. Simple and quick weight loss in just 1 week. No gym, no starving, and no spending. Just real science-backed tips and workouts that actually work. Do this for 7 days, and I dare you not to see a difference. Now go out there and own it. Drop a heart in the comments if you're doing this challenge. And don't forget to subscribe for more glow-up secrets.